Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, water signs. Okay, so Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see. Tingnan natin kung may chance ba na mag-reach out yung person mo by April. Okay? So, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, yeah, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And kung may tanong rin pagdating sa ating mga items. So, yeah. Just message me. So, meron tayong protection from evil eye, meron tayong love bracelet, meron tayong granter necklace, yung taga-grant po ha, ng mga minamanifest nyo, yung taga-pagbigay ng mga surprises. Yes, yun si granter. And, yung ating cord cutting. Okay, so kung may tanong, message po, ha? Magme-message po tayo sa FB page ko, kung may mga tanong. Okay. FB page is Fias Tarot din. Same lang po. Pero titingnan po ha yung followers kasi ang dami pong gumagaya. Okay? So, yeah, let's see. Will they reach out ngayong April? So, let's start with Cancer. Okay, Cancer yan. So, sino ba itong taong to? Sino ito? The Justice. Could be a Libra. Some of them, they have legal issue or legal background, something like that. What's with that? Justice. The Five of Swords, yeah. Legal background, legal issue, maybe. So, specific po yun, ha? Okay. Some of them, itong taong to, sabihin natin, gumugulo pa rin ang gumugulo sa isip mo. Meron kang gustong malaman sa kanya sa ngayon. Marami kang gustong marinig, makita. Talagang, yeah, you're living in your head, rent-free. Yes. Let's see, will they reach out? Will they reach out? Ito yung taong gusto mo pero hindi mo alam bakit. Okay, parang ganon. Parang gusto mo pero ang daming conflict. Parang ganyan. Okay, so let's see, will they reach out this April sa'yo, Cancer? The Knight of Pentacles in reverse. So, we have here air and air and earth. So, Knight of Pentacles in reverse, this person wants na mag-reach out, actually. Parang gusto. The Empress in reverse, pero parang, para saan pa? Parang ganon. Para saan pa? Yeah, the Six of Pentacles in reverse. Parang, yeah, gusto ko, pero para saan pa? Parang ganon. I don't know why. Some of them, marami na silang responsibilidad. Maraming responsibilidad itong taong to. Pwedeng father, single father, single mother, yeah, single parent, parang ganun. Okay? Ang nakikita ko kasi sa kanya, kung magre-reach out man ako, ano bang mangyayari? Meron bang mangyayaring maganda? May progress ba? May improvement ba? Something like that. Kasi iba sa kanila, may chance po, ha, na talagang merong kinakasama. Kaya bakit pa? So, maybe, kung mag-reach out man to, magugulo lang din siya. So, better off. Parang ganyan. It's better off, yeah. Wag na. Parang ganyan. Wag na lang. The Eight of Pentacles in reverse. So, kahit gustuhin man ng taong to, mas pinipili niya yung justice. Mas pinipili niya kung anong tama. Okay? Anyway. So, there. Yeah, we have here Virgo, Taurus, Libra, earth sign, and air sign. So, Libra. Next is Scorpio. Okay, so Scorpio, will this person reach out this April? So, sino ba itong taong to? Scorpio. So, nasa Scorpio po tayo, ha? Please, sa mga pwedeng maglagay ng timestamp sa comment section. Thank you agad. Oo po. So, Scorpio, who is this person? Scorpio, who is this person na gusto mong mag-reach out? Gusto mong malaman kung mag-reach out ba? The Knight of Chalices in reverse, somebody na pwedeng on and off or cold and hot and cold pagdating sa'yo, may chance. The Knight of Chalices in reverse and the Tower in reversed. In and out, itong taong to. Pwedeng tinalikuran mo to. This is your energy. Pwedeng wala ka ng masyadong kagustuhan pagdating dito. Okay? Some of you, mas okay ka nang wala siya eh. Anyway, let's see. Will they reach out? Kung sino man to. Nagkaroon kayo ng this person is too moody. Hindi mo ang tawag dyan, maka-vibes. Parang ganyan. So, will they reach out? The Two of Pentacles, it's a no. It's a no. Yeah, the Moon, no. Kahit mag-reach out to, hindi mo papansinin, I guess. Yeah. Some of you are too busy na or open for, sabihin natin, new energies sa ngayon. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles. Hindi mo rin naman to re-replyan, I think. Kung mag-reach out through messages, chats, calls, hindi mo naman to i-answer. Parang ganyan. So, yeah, ang nakuha ko rito is not, no. Wala siyang plano rin na mag-reach out anyway. So, nandyan yung Moon, meaning that's silence, that is totally like stepping back, wala sa scene. Parang ganyan. Dark, hindi mo makikita, hindi yan magkapakita being mysterious or what, secrets, parang, yeah, nakatago. Para pong ganun. So, wag na lang, parang ganyan. Okay? So, siguro hindi na rin naman gusto nitong taong to. Anyway, so, this is you. So, may chance nga talaga na ikaw ay open for other opportunities or energy. That is why. Okay, so there. So, next is Pisces. So, Pisces placements. Will they reach out this April? So, nasa Pisces na po tayo agad. Yeah, madali lamang na reading. Check lang natin kung mag-reach out ba yung taong iniisip mo or iniisip ka. Okay. Pisces. Who is this person? Pisces. The Devil in reverse. Could be a Capricorn. What's with that Devil in reverse? The Ace of Swords. Nagkaroon kayo ng sex-based connection nitong taong to, Pisces. Or nagkaroon kayo ng tagong ugnayan nito. Kinut off mo para sa ikabubuti. Okay? Or hindi ka na rin nakikipag-usap para sa ikauunlad. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Some of them, masaya namang kausap, pero parang feeling mo hindi mo kaya magtiwala. No? Parang hindi mo kaya magtiwala sa kanya. So, kunin po yung mga energies na alam yung inyo lang. Okay? Hindi nyo kukunin lahat. Kumukuha lang ako ng mga energies ko, anong mga nakikita ko. Hindi po lahat pwedeng mag-resonate. Pero kung magre-resonate naman sa iyo lahat, then why not? Chalk not, di ba? So, will they reach out this April? The Hierophant. The Empress, I think, yeah. Yes, pero I'm seeing here something about revenge. I don't know why. Or sabihin nating pagpapakita ng kung ano man ang meron sa kanya. Okay? Ganito na ako now. I have this, I have that, whatsoever. Like that. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Wands in reversed. Some of you, pwede may mangyaring SEX na naman. SEX, kahit wala kayong label nitong taong to. They will seduce you. Some of you, they will. So, you'll hear from them this April. You'll hear from them. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng in and out or sabihin natin inconsistent pagdating sa communication. May chance itong taong to is together, or sabihin natin may kakonek, or ikaw itong may kakonek, and may chance na pwedeng magkikita lang kayo to make alam mo na. No label. Yeah, there's another person involved here, the Three of Wands. Be careful. Pwedeng meron ditong ma-attach. I don't know who. Okay? Pwedeng person. Anyway. Yeah, the Seven of Pentacles universe saying na this is just a waste of time if ever. Pero, a waste of energy. Okay? Anyway. So, there. Yeah, yun ang aking nakikita for you. Water sign placements, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. And don't forget na mag-follow rin sa atin pong second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Thank you. Bye.